I'm going to show you how to do fermented cabbage or sauerkraut. Really simple, but then it always is when you've done it lots of times. I've sliced up 2 cabbages. They were about yay big, a green one and a red one. I used this machine which made it really quick. So here's one I prepared earlier, styly. I'm going to use this jar which has a capacity of about 1.25 litres. This was 1100 grams of cabbage, and I'm going to add to it 27 grams of salt. I'm using Redmonds Real Salt, so there's nothing nasty in there, and I'm going to get my hands in here. Obviously I've washed my hands really clean. I didn't wash the cabbages. I just took off the scabby outside leaves. Didn't wash them because the cabbages each have their own microbiome, which I wanted to take advantage of. It's really important to use the right amount of salt, and that might seem like loads of salt, but it is quite a lot of cabbage, and what I was aiming for was a 2.5% solution, because that is the optimum salt to cabbage or other vegetables. You can do this with many different vegetables. That's the ideal ratio for, you don't want it to happen too quickly and other microbes to develop, bad microbes to develop. And you don't want it to be too strong because it's too salty, and it also eventually, if you go up to as much as a 15% solution, which is what all commercial food is salted to, it kills all the bacteria and you won't get any fermentation. So I'm just massaging that all through with my hands, and that's going to get really wet. It's already, I don't know if you can see that, it's already getting soggy. And I'm just going to do that for a couple more minutes and then leave it for about 20 minutes, half an hour. And then I'm going to show you the second part, which is putting it into the jar.